Here. Oh, I'm gonna give this. Oh, right? Where is this? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I can't wait to do what I need to do. Oh, scary, scary bush. Okay, count of three. 1, 2, 3. I just counted a bush. And a half. My birthday. I want apple pie. I want apple pie. Rats. Bad rats. Apple. Me. You. Burger King. This thing. Grass, border. Ow! My leg. Stupid this thing. Border. Ouch, ouch. That's a part of the surfaces. Branches. Flowers. Oh no. Oh, got scared again. Last time I was here, there was a bear the size of a raccoon. They were so big. I can't even stand on it. When I was 16, I felt young. That's a story saved for another day. I heard that we need to go over here to get to over there. So I'm gonna try that. See if it works. Oh. Oh, stupid bush. There's lots of wind. Oh, wow. A Target gift card. It has $0. A bent $0 gift card. That could get you something. Like a water bottle and a half. If you own a mechanical keyboard. But you don't. So you need to buy one. Well, use this gift card to buy it. And then we'll have no problem. I heard there's a Target somewhere. Did you want to go see it? I just grabbed a Target gift card. It's like I'm out in the store. Oh no. Bushy bush. Oh no. Headache's dropping. This is worth more money than me. I heard that I went to FedEx one time. It was pretty scary. At first, I went to the floor. They left me in a coma for 6 weeks. And they kept putting sandpaper on my teeth. And I have sandpaper stuck in my teeth now. It feels very weird. And I haven't had a floss stick since I was 17 years old. In 1309. My birthday changes a lot, if you didn't know. So we're going to be working on that someday. If you want a floss stick, you just have to come to me for one. Or use this Target gift card. It has free shipping. $2005. 2005. That's old. Just like me. But I wasn't born in 2005. I was born in 1309. Yeah. 1309. 800 years old. 814 years old. Even a celebrity could recognize me. Which is pretty insane. Because most celebrities don't even know who I am. But they still recognize me. If this Target gift card still works, buy yourself a propane tank. So you can get propane. I just got jump scared by Bushy Bush. Whoa. What are these? I'm gonna grab one. Wow. That's crazy. I didn't know I lived in Florida. This thing's huge. Bigger than my belly button. And my belly button has been the biggest of all belly buttons. Oh no, it's blowing away. No, no, no. Don't blow away. It's blowing away just like me. When I was 16 years old. There was high winds. I used a Target gift card, so you can't use it. It was $100 gift card. I spent it on McDonald's. Got myself a fish fillet. It tasted good at first until I took the second bite. It tastes like fish from the sea that are raw, just like me. Okay, well. If your birthday's on a Friday, then I'd suggest go to Fridays. It is so windy today. I could even get picked up. That was all fake. It was all cap. Wow, a plane. I've never seen it before. I've never seen a plane before. I wonder where it came from. Oh, Shenzhen, China. No. I heard if you eat chili, it actually tastes good. I learned that the hard way. I didn't like it. What is this? It's a part of a mini arm. Oh no, I think someone got killed here. Rest in peace to whoever got killed here. Hopefully there's no demo bats screaming their way at me. Just like that honeycomb in 1639. Have I told you about it? I don't remember. I don't recall. But there was a honeycomb that flew into my face and it had bees in it. And even the queen. And it punched me in the face several times. And it stabbed me with its needle. It injected me. And I became a mushroom. I don't recall that part, but I do know that it happened. Someone reminded me. Can't remember who reminded me. I think it was Dwayne Rock Johnson. When we were eating chili together. It's been a long time since I've seen him. It was when he had hair. He became completely bald. It was like around 1999 when I saw him. Maybe he's coming back. I don't know. Maybe he'll come back and have chili with me. When it's chilly out and we're in Chile. Chili, chili, chili. Chili country, chili food, and chili is cold. With bacon. Cold bacon. And mashed potatoes. Raw mashed potatoes. Baked at a circus. In 1749. In 1749, my mom was born. And I was born in 1409. And how did I become a thing? It's easy. She was in her negative years. Negative years old. I'm pushing it, ain't I? I'm gonna whack a spell on this mushroom and see what it does. I was a mushroom once. It was a long time ago. I'm really old. I'm so old. The last time I ate bacon was when it's cold. I heard if you buy a mushroom, you get a mushroom sandwich. It's true. I made one before. It tastes like a mushroom.
So it didn't get on camera, but I ended up hearing a loud noise.
Ah! I heard bushy bush. Oh my god. That scared the flip out of me. Did you get that, guys? Bushy bush was moving by itself. I almost had heart attack. It was so scary to me. I don't know. Hello? Oh, my arm and hammer. I'm scared. Bushy bush moved on its own. I'm scared. It could have been a bird. No, it couldn't have been a bird. Please, bird. I think I should stay inside. What do you think, guys? Should I stay inside, or should I stay outside and check the area for surrounding mushrooms? I think I'm gonna go the easy way. Stay inside. I heard bushy bush move.